Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to download a text file from the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file that was uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go on to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to office.com and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's navigate to the OneDrive portal, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, let's now go within Admin, then go to My Files. Now let's navigate into the 2024 folder that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. Within the folder, we should then have some content that we have been working on. So let's now go to file1.txt, right click or click on the top right corner of the file itself, and now on the top toolbar we should have the download icon. Click on this. File1.txt has now been downloaded. If we click on this, it will open up in text edit. We can also locate the file within the Finder application. And there we go. File1.txt has now been saved within the downloads on the Mac computer. So we can now quit Finder. We can also quit Google Chrome. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.